Hello, awesome readers. I'm Miss Leverton here in our Far Falcons library, and this week we are celebrating Read Across America Week. We are celebrating a nation of diverse readers, reading so many different interesting books this week, and the next book I have chosen for us is called Fry Bread. This book is a Native American family story. It is written by Kevin Noble Millard, illustrated by Juana Martinez. Let's jump right in. Fry bread is food. Flour, salt, water, cornmeal, baking powder, perhaps milk, and maybe sugar. All mixed together in a big bowl. Fry bread is shape. Hands mold the dough flat like a pancake and round like a ball, or puffy like Nana's softest pillow. Fry bread is sound. The skillet clangs on the stove, the fire blazes from below. Drop the dough in the skillet and the bubbles sizzle and pop. Fry bread is color. Golden brown, tan, or yellow, deep like coffee, sienna, or earth. Light like snow and cream, warm like rays of sun. Fry bread is flavor. See beans or soup, smell tacos, cheese, and vegetables. Delight in honey and jam, and rise to discover what brings us together. Fry bread is time. On weekdays and holidays, supper or dinner, powwows and festivals, moments together with family and friends. Fry bread is art, sculpture, landscape, portrait, our daily craft, shared from teacher to student, a cycle of heritage and fortune. Fry bread is history, the long walk, the stolen land, strangers in our own world. With unknown food, we made new recipes from what we had. Fry bread is place. Alaska, Kansas, all the way to Maine. Down to Delaware, on to Georgia, over to Oklahoma, Colorado, and California. Cities and lands we call home. Fry bread is nation. Abenaki, Apache, Arapaho, Ojibwe, Ononda, Oglala, Sioux, Narragansett, Navajo, Nipmuc, Seminole, Shoshone, Sac and Fox, hundreds and hundreds of tribes. Fry bread is everything. Round, flat, large, small. North, south, east, west, brown, yellow, black, white. Familiar and foreign, old and new, we come together. Fry bread is us. We are still here, elder and young, friend and neighbor. We strengthen each other to learn, change, and survive. Fry bread is you. And here in the back of the book is a recipe if you'd like to learn how to make fry bread yourself. I know I have a lot of students who love to cook. And there's even more information in the back of the book. We have an author's note and more information about the history of fry bread. So interesting. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed our story today, and I hope you will join me for lots more fun books for Read Across America Week. Have a great week. Bye-bye.